Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Snapchat. So first, go ahead and open your Snapchat app and go to chat option. Now right here, if you want to block someone, for example, I want to block this one, all you're going to do is tap and hold this profile right here. And then you can see an option. You just tap on manage friendship. And then right here, you have an option. You can go block, report, remove friend, or edit name. So for this one, I want to tap on block. And you can see, are you sure you want to block? So just tap on block right over here. So that's how you basically block someone. And if you want to see all the black accounts on your Snapchat, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then go to the gear icon, the settings at the top right corner, and then you need to scroll down until you find the blocked options right here. So you just tap this one. Then here you will see all the accounts that you've been blocked on your Snapchat. Now if you want to unblock, you just tap on this X button and you can unblock the accounts that you've been blocked. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.